Okay, I'm Kayla. Let me tell you the. I'm just playing. Whoa! I got.
Whoa, I think you did that on that last time.
I think yeah, I do, but I just like realized I see it.
And you're showing this to everybody in the YouTube.
I don't care.
And
They can make fun of me if I want to, but
half of them have that worse acting than eating. All over.
Danielle. Okay, I like to give a shout out to my buddy Brandon. Hey.
Can you scoot over?
Yeah. Mom, you're in the store. So, whoa, look at this guy.
Guys?
Never mind. What do you want to do? There.
I have a hair down.
Everybody say. Okay. Add me on MySpace. My name's Caleb Provost. Like, yeah.
My name is Ashley. But you can't find me, so don't go to YouTube. But I go to my phone.
She's just talking for no reason. We're at the mall. This computer's not ours. We stole it. Ty did.
Don't I?
We went into the hurricane thing. What? What were you saying? Yes? What were you gonna say?
Hello.
Oh,
Waffles?
I'm a fun
Tuesday. Hey!
What?
We look. See the arrow on the screen.
Can I sing you a little tune? Music.
You look like a dork.
You sound like a dork.
I know.
Text me at 35
Text me at
Hey.
something 8 something 4.
Let me take a picture of you. Hot. Where? Oh, thank you for spotting that out.
You're retarded.
Could have walked around the mall looking like a retard. Or artard.
Why am I so white? Compared to you, I'm like white.
As paper?
No, not as paper.
I feel like I have to fix my hair all the time because the computer, like,
Hey, let's go to the Waffles.
the Waffle House.
Yes, Waffles.
Check out my phone. That does not have a cord on it.
What's this right here?
It is 8.
This cord.
This is my phone. This is like the earpieces and stuff. Whoa.
It's like when I was.
Come on, man. Come on.
Okay then. Alright. Okay, bye. You want to say goodbye?
No. You can send it. Go ahead.
Go. I'm hungry. And we got some fries. Hey.